Hello there, in this tutorial, we will show how to chat with talents during the fair. After you log in, click Virtual Events. Click the fair you are attending. Go to Chat, and click Change Settings. Upload your photo, write your full name and your job title. We recommend putting the name of your company in front of the title, for example, Hired CEO. Select your virtual booth from the drop-down Booth Visibility, and put your status online by selecting the green button Go Online. Click Save Changes. You can now initiate chat with any talents who are online by clicking the circles on top. Once you choose a talent, it will start as a chat. You can send messages, attach files using the bottom part of the message box. There is a limit of 1 GB to each file sent. Enable desktop notifications to get notified even when you are not on the chat page.